In this video, I'll show you how to create a WooCommerce Wholesale role in just a few simple steps. So without further ado, let's get straight into it. Okay, so the first step is to head over to woosuite.com. Go ahead and download the Wholesale All-in-One Suite. Once you've done so, let's head back over to our dashboard. Okay, so here we are in our WordPress dashboard, assuming you've downloaded the Wholesale All-in-One Suite plugin. The second step is to go ahead and upload that plugin. So you navigate to plugins, add new, go ahead and upload the file in which you've just downloaded. Once you've done so, you want to navigate to activate, go ahead and activate your license key. And then once you've done so, we'll navigate to this add-on section here. Okay, and then from here, you've got the option to just go ahead and install the wholesale pricing module, or you can go ahead and click on this wizard here, and it'll walk you through the setup process. So you just go ahead and install all the relevant component that you wish, and then just go through the process. Since I've already done it, I'm going to just go ahead and navigate over to our dashboard here, since I've already installed the relevant component which I need for my B2B setup. Okay, so now we'll go ahead and create our wholesale roles. So we'll navigate to wholesale pricing here. Okay, and here I've already added a few roles. So you want to go ahead and enable this user management option here. So I've already created a distributor role, a trade account role, and I can go ahead and add a new role here. So I'll say for this one, let's say wholesale tier 2. Okay, and just to let you know, it says it here as well, but this has to be in lowercase and it has to be separated with a underscore or a hyphen. Okay, so I'm just going to say there's no numbers allowed as well in this field. Okay, and then for the display name, you can use numbers and you can make it more user friendly. So this is what your customers will actually see. So here we'll just say wholesale tier 2. Okay, and then this is important. So where it says copy from, here we get to choose the user role in which you want to copy the capabilities from. So you most definitely don't want to choose admin, since the user will have the same access privilege as a admin. So you want to just scroll down to where it says customer, and this will give it the default capability of a normal customer. Okay, so we'll just click add role here. Okay, perfect. And our new roles created here, so you can see wholesale tier 2. And you can create as many different wholesale user role as you need. And once you've set up these wholesale user role, you've got the option to create custom pricing, custom discounts, custom shipping, payment method, and so on based on this particular user role. So for example, I can create, I can set up a special pricing structure for users falling under this wholesale tier 2. I can provide them with different shipping option and payment option, and so much more. In terms of restriction as well, we can restrict certain products to certain user roles as well. So this is all possible with the WooSuite Wholesale plugin. Okay, so when we navigate back to the dashboard as well, just a quick stats. So again, you've got the option to create a specific wholesale application form where you can customize the registration process. You can automate the onboarding as well. So you can automatically set certain customers in certain region to pending. So here we'd see how many new B2B users we've got this month, how many pending applications, how many pending quotes, and so on. And we can also see the revenue breakdown as well by user role. Okay, so this is just a few things you can do with this plugin. There's so much more, but I've created other videos regarding this. And that's how you create a WooCommerce Wholesale user role in just a few simple steps. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe for more videos like this. And if you've got any questions, leave it in the comment box below or reach out to support and we'll get back to you as soon as possible.